Hey, what's up, gang? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Monday. I want to say May the 12th, a day after Mother's Day. And I know I pop a lot of shit on this channel, but today, let's get deep. Let's talk about why these men are so salty about the women in the trucking industry. Let's get into it.
You say truckin', we say crown. Truckin', crown, truckin', crown. You say tribe, we say proud. Tribe, proud, tribe, crown. Dip, shift, glow and ride. We the baddest, honey tribe.
You know what's crazy? Some of these dudes act like we stole the wheel. Nah, baby. We just grabbed it when it was out of control. And guess what? We driving better than ever. Some of these dudes out here mad like we snatched their CDL and gave it to our homegirl. Relax, Tyrone. Your license still valid. We just driving better than you. They be like,
women don't belong in a truck.
sir, you barely belong here with them crusty curtains and that microwave smelling like 2016 ramen noodles. Y'all not mad at us. Y'all mad that we don't need y'all to validate our grind. Women ain't here to just decorate the passenger seat no more. We owning trucks, running dispatch, building fleets, and still got time to drop a video and motivate the next sis coming into the game. Some of y'all ain't salty at women. Y'all salty at yourselves for sleeping on us. This ain't a threat. This is reality. The future of trucking is female, period. The salt that some of y'all men be throwing. Is it fear? Fear of being outworked, maybe? Outshined and outgrown? But let me be clear. It's not all men. Just the dudes who stuck in the mindset that women belong in the kitchen. Not in this day and age. We driving a whole rig and building a road behind us. So to the ones throwing shade, we see you, but we too busy chasing purpose, not permission. They act like we stole their truck, took their route and left with their baby mama. Bro, we just clocking in and doing it right. Y'all out here with that 1965 butt crack energy. Baby, it's 2025. We drive, we vlog, and we moisturize. Get with it or get ran over. They never expected us to take the wheel, let alone control the whole route. But here we are, not asking, not waiting, just moving different. Let's talk about it. Not the surface level stuff. I mean the real reason some of these niggas be acting bitter towards women killing it in the game. Let's talk about why are some of y'all men so bothered by this new era of women in trucking? Because this ain't the trucking world that y'all used to. We ain't coming in trying to be cute. We coming in redefining the game. It ain't just about driving no more. We got merch. We got stories, hustle and healing, all from behind the wheel. They hate that we professional and pretty, that we can drive 11 hours and still find time to glow. I can haul 40,000 pounds, hit a blind side back, and still got time to lotion my knees. What's really the problem? You mad at me for being in the truck? Boy, you was crying when they cut diesel pay. Let's not act brand new. I get it. Some of y'all hate women in trucking because we got personality. I'm sorry you stuck in silent CB radio energy. Pre-trip with a little strut. Cause why not? I ain't just DOT ready. I'm runway ready too.
Women don't need to be driving semis.
Sir, you can't even back into a dock without getting out 5 times. Let us live. They ain't mad we driving. They mad we doing it cute. Like how you hate it. And I still got lashes on and 30 miles per hour winds. That's talent. We the same ones talking down on women driving. But then ask us for our air hose when they trailer froze up. Back in the butt crack days, trucking was a man's world. They built that identity off of grits, grind, and being a big dog. So when women pulled up, not just driving, but doing it better, safer, cleaner, and with a whole brand behind them, that shook something. It ain't just about driving no more. We out here building businesses, building brands, branding ourselves, teaching the next generation, and still making time to slay while we slay these miles. To every woman in the game, new or seasoned, stand tall, be seen, be bold. And if they can't handle it, let them get ran over by this movement.